Do you feel tired and fatigued all the time? Do you miss out eating on your favorite foods? Or even the cake on your own birthday? Have you been told to live with medicines all your life and just because you are diabetic? Well, if your answers to all of the above were yes, and to the other symptoms of diabetes, then you must definitely watch this video for the next 20 seconds, especially if you want to get back to your normal, diabetes-free, disease-free, healthy life. Hi, I'm Anurag, founder at Wellfinity.in, and we are here to help you along with the other 100 million diabetes patients in India go diabetes-free, while this is just the official number. We at Wellfinity have changed the way people look at diabetes. We reverse diabetes sustainably for life. Yes, diabetes reversal is a reality. Backed by scientific research, our experienced team of doctors have transformed the lives of many of our members who are now leading a normal medicine-free life by undertaking simple lifestyle changes. So join us for this 2-day workshop where we take you through the understanding and steps to get you started on your reversal journey so that you can be on the path of your wellness journey. Click on the link below to know more and sign up today to the start of a truly new life.